Gun dog trials at the Country Pursuit Centre. Hundreds of visitors are drawn to the demonstration of one man's control over his dogs.
Stay! Nebo! Very.
The bang alerts the dog, and their discipline shows through as they chase after a dummy target one by one. Just as important is their ability to chase back to their place in the line.
Here it comes, Timber. Here it comes. And watch the takeoff. And he's got it.
It takes many hours of training to teach these dogs to retrieve from water and then to find their master, even in a crowd as big as this one.
Malcolm, we'll carry on with the normal.
The range of sports on show is wide, and the demonstrations highly instructional at times.
A quick shuffle of change of crew onto the centre board, a pull down, back in, hops in, and we carry on racing again. Well done, Patrick.
We've tried quite a lot of the country pursuits that you can have a go at too if you come up to Bilth. But one thing I've always been a bit envious of is those William Tell characters who aim at apples on other people's heads. And so we've come to try archery. Joan, how do you start?
Well, basically this is a fiberglass bow, and you catch hold of it as you would a suitcase.
Yes.
Yeah, put your hand down there.
Right
That's it, yes. 3 fingers on the string, one above the arrow and 2 below.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
And you pull back. As you pull back, pull your elbow up in the air and push out with your left hand.
Right. Let's have a go.
Right. Carry on. Keep pulling. That's it. Get your hand in towards your chin. It's not bad. You've gone past your chin. Just open your fingers and loose. Plenty of elevation on that one. I think we can improve on the style. Do you want to try again?
Yes. Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So you see, practice makes perfect.